Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. This is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here we talk about real estate and apps that involve money. And we're going to be talking about the Cash App. Specifically, can you pay for something using Cash App without using the Cash App debit card? This is possible via 3 ways, which we're going to cover now. You want to start off by opening your Cash App up. And now that we're here, we're going to cover the first method, which is to just use your Cash App debit card information. So if for some reason you don't have access to the physical card, you can see your card information on the app. Just click on the card in the bottom left hand corner and you'll be shown some of the information for your Cash App card. If you click the eye icon on your card, it will reveal the rest of the information, which will allow you to make a purchase. All you have to do is input this information in any place where you want to make a purchase in the debit card section, and you'll be able to pay for whatever it is that you want as long as your card is unlocked. The second method that you can use to pay for something not using the physical Cash App card is to actually pay via Google Pay or Apple Pay. As you see on the screen, there's an option to add the debit card to Google Pay. I've covered how to do that in this video, so if you're interested in doing that, you can check that video out. And for your iPhone users, you have the option of doing the same thing for Apple Pay. Now those are the 2 main methods that you can use, provided that you have a Cash App debit card. But let's say you don't have one. Can you actually use your Cash App to pay for something without the card? The short answer is in most cases no, but there are some exceptions to the rule. For instance, there are some merchants that are starting to accept Cash App in their place of business. You'll be able to tell because most of them will have their scan code right next to a sign or something that says pay via Cash App. If that's the case, on the screen we're at right now, you just pull your Cash App up and you click on the little scan box in the top left hand corner and you just click on scan. That will bring up the person's Cash App information, and from there all you need to do is simply pay. In addition to this, if the person you're trying to buy something from actually does have a Cash App and y'all have worked something out to where you'll pay them via Cash App, as long as you have their Cash App tag, email, or phone number, you can actually send them money via the Cash App without your Cash App debit card. For details on how to do that, you want to check this video out that covers how to send money via the Cash App. But with that being said, we've covered the 3 ways that you can actually pay for something using Cash App without using the physical Cash App debit card. But keep in mind that not that many merchants or businesses accept Cash App in that kind of form, but it never hurts to ask, and if they do have a Cash App, then you can handle it using the 3rd method. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in the video. And of course, if you have not signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.